So you want to make $50 a day trading crypto. Well, the good news is that this is very obtainable. And when you look at the approach that we will be recommending, hopefully a light bulb goes off. Now, the method that we're going to be going over to make this happen is swing trading. And for those unsure of how swing trading works, it has 3 elements. First, swing trading involves taking trades that last a couple of days up to several months in order to profit from an anticipated price move. Second, swing trading exposes a trader to overnight and weekend risk, where the price could gap and open the following session at a substantially different price. And third, swing traders can take profits utilizing an established risk-reward ratio based on a stop-loss and profit target, or they can take profits or losses based on a technical indicator or price action movements. Now keep in mind what we're going to be going over isn't financial advice, but when done correctly, you can easily hit a $50 a day target, which would be about $1,500 a month. The best way to look at the goal is definitely the monthly amount. And in order to hit that, you should have a minimum of $10,000 to swing trade with. This would mean hitting 15% a month on your money, which can be challenging if you're new to this. But if you can get a bigger account of, let's say, $20,000 to start trading with, you would only need to hit 7.5% a month to make $1,500 a month or $50 a day. So I'm sure you see where we're going with this. And now let's go over some of the pros and cons to swing trading crypto. Starting with the pros. The first pro is time commitment. The time commitment is not much at all. While swing trading will keep you busier than long-term investing, compared to day trading, swing trading requires less time commitment. In swing trading, you do your technical analysis on mostly the daily time frame, except when a trading setup is forming and you want to step down to the 4-hourly time frame to pick a better entry price. So unlike day trading, where you get to watch your price chart all along to analyze those data that are printed every 15 or 30 minutes. Depending on your time frame, you spend only a few minutes at the end of the trading day for your analysis. Second, you can trade part-time, owning to the nature of swing trading and the fact that it doesn't take much time. You can combine it with a 9-to-5 job or any business that can generate constant cash flow for you. The good thing is that you know the cash flow will help your trading psychology in no small measure. When you know that your basic needs are taken care of, and you can pay your bills, you can trade with much calmness without being in a haste to make money. Third is that swing trading can be very profitable. With a good strategy and a proper risk management, swing trading can be very profitable without any stress. If you constantly implement your strategy, you can expect to make reasonably good returns from swing trading. On average, you can make between 10 and 50% per annum from swing trading, which is better than the broad market return per annum. But you must have the mental skills to stay consistent. Fourth is that it won't keep you tied down for very long. With swing trading, you don't get to have your capital tied down in a bad stock for a long time, unlike what happens in long-term trading. If a trade is not working, fine. You take a small loss and you move the funds to another stock that shows a trade setup. In other words, swing trading gives you greater flexibility with managing your funds so that every point in time, your funds are working hard to make money for you. And as far as the cons to swing trading, we only have one. And that is that timing the market can be difficult. Sometimes you're going to think that you got in just at the right time and watch a crypto tank in price. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Of course, we would also like to recommend you 3 coins we think would be great for beginner swing traders, starting with Tron. Tron is a fast-growing blockchain network, shaking up the DApp development world. Its secure smart contract functionality and decentralized platform structure have many similarities to Ethereum, another leading smart contract protocol. However, what really sets Tron apart from other popular blockchain networks is its emphasis on content creators. Tron aims to give content creators more control over their work by cutting out intermediaries, such as YouTube, and directly connecting them with their audience. This exciting shift in the landscape could mean great things for content creators and consumers alike, allowing users to benefit from innovation within the space truly. Tron also has a pretty forward-looking consensus mechanism, with its highly liquid proof-of-stake model and compatibility with Ethereum Virtual Machine. Tron has become a significant player in the blockchain world, and with recent high-profile partnerships with companies like Samsung, Tron's credibility and potential are skyrocketing. Before we get into our next coin, we'd also like to point out you can get on our crypto newsletter, where we send out 1 email a week directly below in the description. Next, we have Stellar Lumen. Stellar is an influential cryptocurrency that was created to provide financial services to those underserved by the traditional banking system. By utilizing its cutting-edge blockchain technology, this innovative digital currency has been able to break down boundaries that traditionally limit access to essential financial services. Thanks to Stellar Lumens, millions of people around the globe now have more significant opportunities for pursuing their dreams and ambitions. Whether you need money for your business or want to send funds back home, Stellar Lumens has you covered. With rapid transaction speeds and ultra-low fees, it's quickly becoming the preferred payment method for those looking to bank the unbanked and enable economic growth worldwide. However, its KYC feature truly sets it apart from its competitors. Unlike many other digital currencies, which anyone with an internet connection can use, Stellar requires its users to go through a process to determine their identity and verify their transactions. This mechanism helps reduce fraud and increase security, making Stellar a more trusted payment method for consumers and businesses. Furthermore, this feature gives Stellar the potential to be integrated into existing banking infrastructures and financial systems, further enhancing its appeal as a payments currency. Overall, Stellar's KYC feature makes it an attractive option as a future-forward payment solution. And last, we have that good old XRP. Hype matters when it comes to a cryptocurrency's growth potential. We have included XRP in the list of top cryptocurrencies to explode in the next year. There is so much expectation that if the case between the SEC and Ripple ends in Ripple's favor, FOMO could take this cryptocurrency to a new all-time high. Besides the potential hype around the SEC case, there is a lot of expectation around integrating XRP into RippleNet products that target the banking industry. At its core, XRP is designed to facilitate fast and low-cost currency exchange. Ripple has created an innovative payment system that gives users the access to an extensive network of global currency exchange partners. Moreover, thanks to its decentralized structure and peer-to-peer transactions via distributed ledger technology, transactions on RippleNet can process very quickly with low processing fees relative to traditional banking systems. And although many skeptics doubt whether or not such a novel approach will prove successful over the long term, there are plenty of reasons for investors to be optimistic about XRP's chances of success. One of them is that banks, especially in Asia, are already adopting Ripple's technologies, including those that use XRP for cross-border payments. With demand for cryptocurrencies continuing to soar, many believe that XRP is set up for big things shortly, whether it's from its growing adoption in banking, gaining market shares from traditional banks, or simply riding the interest in cryptocurrencies. There's no doubt XRP has a lot of growth potential. Given that XRP is currently at a significant discount from its all-time highs in 2017, there's a good chance this cryptocurrency could explode in value in a big way soon. Well, we hoped you guys enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching it, and we will see you all in the next crypto video.